Luca! Good morning! Where are you going?
Tulak, Teban!
Where are you going? Good morning mga guys! Day 2! Today we're going to the beach! Hi Luca! Where are you going Luca? Di makapagna! Hindi na kaya. Mamatay si Susan. Hi guys! Hello! Hi! Say hi! Say hi! Hi Luca! Ba! Gusto na niya! Hi mga guys! So we are documenting every day with our papa. Last week of April, our papa decided to just go home and enjoy the time with our family. And he decided to not go with continue the treatment anymore. But he believes that that is for his good and for the good of our family. So we prayed for that. It was a tough decision. It was hard on us, his children, because as much as possible, we want to extend his days, if you know what I mean. And So, mahirap sa amin na magdesisyon. Iniyakan namin actually. And also, we all decided to just go home. And all my siblings said yes. And we went home, every one of us. We stopped renting the house in Tuguegarao City. So, we want to express our gratitude. We want to say thank you to all the people who have been helping us. We want to thank God for all the provision that He has been so faithful in giving what our needs, our family needs, and also to our friends, to Papa's boss, to all the friends who have been helping us. We want to say thank you also to Scott, my husband. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for always supporting us and praying for us, praying for our family. We are also grateful for all our friends who have extended help and to those who supported us even in our decision making. Thank you for our family, relatives, all of you who are in Biliran, who are praying and also extending some financial help. Thank you for my friends, high school friends who have been praying with us, to our church mates in Manila, sending me some support and prayers. Thank you so much for all of you. It is a beautiful day out here, and we came here at 6 a.m. to get some sunlight for Papa. Queen is there, Micah is there, Stephen is there, Luca. Kevin already went home to Ilagan yesterday. Unfortunately, Tita Tata cannot make it today here because she has classes. But she's usually free in the afternoon, so she can be with us in the afternoon. I will try to film with her today, with Tita Tata today. So if you can see over there, that's Mama and Papa. Mama is feeding Papa with food today in the morning. So Papa eats, because he can only consume blended food, I think every after 3 hours kumakain siya. So we just wanna film our time with Papa every day and spend time with him always. Love, kuya. Hi, Queen. That's Queen. But I am Papa's favorite princess. Favorite ako ni Papa sa lahat. Hindi mo alam?
Si Tata ang favorite niya. Favorite niya kung sa sorry.
Sorry na share. Ay, sorry na sabi. The sun is so beautiful today.
Sa buhangin. Tata niya, pidot-pidot. Ulitin mo.
It's time for Papa's medicine. Lucas.
Wag na, ayoko na.
Sige na,
Excuse
sandali.
me.
Ata na ba naman nga ko nun?
Nag-aaway sila. Interviewin ko kayo. Ikaw muna, Queen.
What's the highest mountain in the Philippines? What's the
Oh, I
highest
see the
mountain
moon
in the
from here.
Philippines?
So, Deng,
Mountain na, mountain.
how do you feel about Papa being home?
Good.
Good?
That's it. Thank you.
Basta.
Ha?
Seryoso. Anong pakiramdam na nakauwi si Papa ngayon?
Okay naman kasi
Ano,
wala
deserve?
nang naiisip na ano. Hospital. Tapos, tsaka feeling ko mas okay siya sa bahay kasi hindi na siya inuwi. So dahil may gamot na siya, ano? May gamot ba siya? Hindi masyado sa bahay.
May antibiotics siyang dalawa tinitake ngayon.
Happy ako kasi happy si Papa na nakauwi siya.
Hmm.
Nakikita niya yung mga anak niya, nakikita niya yung lugar niya. Pero naiwan mo yung...
On the other side,
Yung malayo sa hospital.
yes, malayo tayo sa ospital na
Pero parang masaya
Pwede.
lang si Papa kasi kumpleto tayo doon. Parang
Mm.
nagumagaling siya kasi ano.
iba yung ano niya, iba yung sigla niya na nandito siya sa bahay. Iba yung
Nakikita niya lang si Baby na sumasayo. Ito patawa na siya. Yung ganun. Kaysa
ah,
yung nakamukmuk siya dun sa tubig na ano. Nakakunot ng noo lagi. Tapos magagalit pag may maingay. Dito kahit ang ingay-ingay mo, nakangipit pa siya, nakikichismis. Sa tugi nagagalit siya.
oo, iba
Ang
kasi
init ng
talaga.
ulo niya. Kahit silo ka, yung...
Ang taas ng
Laban!
anxiety
Ganun.
pag wala ka sa ano mo, sa lungga mo, 'di ba? Iba talaga pag nasa bahay ka, sanay ka sa environment mo, ganun.
Wala
So,
siyang ano...
4 months din kasi tayo nagstay sa Tuguegarao. Para sa kanya, para siyang na-confine sa lugar na hindi sanay yung katawan, sobrang init.
At least dito kahit dito niya nagagawa yung gusto niya, nakikita naman niya yung ano. Ganito ako noon, dito ako na ganyan.
Nagagawa niya yung mga bagay na gusto niya. Nakikita niya yung mga taong gusto niyang makita. Okay, thank you. How about you, Ben? My Kashan is
You look
the...
like a nest.
Your hair looks like...
You're
So,
like...
Bebe is the main caregiver since Manila. Kahit sa Manila.
I'm the
di ba?
first caregiver.
You were the first nurse.
A nurse. Caregiver. You're a caregiver.
Bebe is the second caregiver. I wouldn't have done it better kapag ka ako kasi hindi ko kaya talaga yung ginagawa niyo. So how do you feel, Ben, na nasa home ka ngayon? With
I
Papa?
feel free.
No classes. Classes in the entire Isabela have been
Suspended.
not suspended entirely but minimized.
Minimize.
Yeah. So not the whole
Shorten.
day. Shortened, yes. Shortened classes. That's the perfect term for it. I think.
Kasi it's half day na.
It's only half day due to the severe heat.
It's
in the
not severe
afternoon.
naman. Look at that. Online.
Heat index of 40 to 45 degrees Celsius.
Ay,
That
oo.
is crazy.
Nasa Dungan.
So,
Especially Tiague. Kasi number 1 sila.
Bebe's school is in Itiaga, Isabela, which is the number 1, the hottest.
The hottest in
Top.
the Philippines.
Yes, hottest. City na ba Italy? Hottest place in Isabela.
Sige, sagwan siyang po. The entire video, nag-ana-ana.
So, Micah is
My stylist. My
hairstylist. So, Micah is here until the university decides to start face-to-face classes again. Di ba, Be?
Until graduation?
Yes.
Sige kita siyang pa-baby.
Ano masasabi nyo doon sa sister nyo na missing in action?
Keep going.
Lugi ka na, lugi. Bye-bye.
Ate Tata, we
Do
hope
your thing and yeah, have
and
fun.
just give us your salary.
Cry.
and clean the house again, okay? And cook.
Thank you for cleaning the house for us before we came home.
And
Ate
also-
Tata already cleaned the house for us and she prepared everything. It was very clean inside the house. And she was also
In short-
excited. And thank you also for spending time during the night kasi they sleep at home. diba?
In short, what is she?
She's
If she cleans the house and cooks and everything.
Cinderella. She's the Cinderella. Para cute. She's the Cinderella.
Cinderella. Okay.
Yes. If you were the Disney princess, who would you be? Oh,
Wala po, wala po.
Be, ikaw. Moana ka?
No.
Ikaw, Teng.
Wala.
Who would you be? Mulan?
Ayaw ko na-cut-down silang lahat.
Ah!
No!
But... I think that's a stupid question.
Little Mermaid.
The Little Mermaid? Why?
Because I'm free!
Yun lang talaga sagot niya. Papa is resting over there and Mama is getting some relaxation. Luca has been sleeping for an hour now. So good, good, good. How about you, Steven, anak? Are you feeling happy that you're home now?
Yeah.
But
Cellphone.
so, what's the difference between your feeling before leaving to Tuguegarao and now? Getting better or you miss your friends? Or...
free!
No? Gaya.
Gaya-gaya.
That's the best thing.
So, I hope you guys like the background here. What a beautiful Pacific Ocean. Thank you so much. See you in the next video with our Papa. Bye. What are you doing, Luca? What are you doing? This is what we call beetle nut.
Anak
Diba?
ko!
Nut, Teng? Beetle nut.
Nak, nagpapagod ka. Hindi ba yun ano day? May anak ka? Wala?
Ago!
It's not bog. Is it bog? Nakis yan, nakis.
Ating mga lakay ko na natin sabi ko sa Pinoy. Yung pananalangin. Kaya nais ko pong i-share sa atin ngayon, bawat isa po sa atin. Ito salamat sapagkat sa pamagitan po, Panginoon, ng buhay ng aming mahal na Ama. O tama, Panginoon, hindi ibigay mo ng kalayaang makalapit sa iyo. Tumawag sa iyo, Panginoon, upang isumbong lahat ng aming mga mithiin sa buhay